Hey guys, Ryan here from Caffeine Hosting, and today I kind of wanted to run through some finishing touches that I often see people miss out on when it comes to the storefront theme. So one of the big things I see is people leaving default templates on things like their cart, their checkout page, and their My Accounts page. So I just kind of want to run through those and kind of show why I think that it should be changed. So I'm just going to run through the cart, the accounts. If I just add a product to the cart, so I can go to the checkout page. Perfect. So I'm just going to move the camera here. So as you can see, we've got that sidebar area in the checkouts, the blog, the cart, and especially for something like an online store, this sidebar can be utilized for things like for showing different products in your cart and stuff like that. It can be kind of distracting, especially when you want someone who's going through the checkout process. You want them to be focusing solely on the actual checkout experience itself and not really focusing on this sidebar here and things that kind of not make sense, because you can have like a cart in your sidebar and having the cart in the sidebar and on a cart page. It doesn't make sense. So for me personally, what I like to do is I go to edit page. And then from here, what you can do is you go down to the default templates. Now, Storefront itself will give you three options. It's got default template, homepage, and full width. And I like to change all of these three to full width. So I'm going to go through, edit, edit. And we're going to change all these from default to full width, update. Full width, update. So the difference between the full width and the default is that the default will have the sidebar in it, and the homepage one will have like a header and also have shop widgets as well. I have made a video kind of detailing about the homepage stuff as well for those who are interested. So now if we go back to the page itself, and we go now to go to the My Accounts tab. As you can see here, it's brought as a full width. I'm just going to move the camera out of the way. So you've got a nice full width page here now. You don't have that sidebar distracting, and so people can go through and check their orders, addresses, account details, and stuff like that. We can go to the shopping cart, and it's now full width instead of having that sidebar. So they can now. It just looks neater. It looks cleaner. It looks more professional. It just doesn't make sense having the sidebar here. Same with the checkout cart. It's all here as well. So perfect. That's So that's everything. That's really just covering about some of the finishing touches that I often see people missing out with the storefront theme and stuff that I highly recommend. So if you need any help with the storefront theme itself, I do offer one-on-one consulting for people who sign up with their hosting through Caffeine Hosting. I only do it with the storefront theme, so if you are interested in that, go to caffeinehosting.com. Use coupon code TRIAL at checkout when you purchase a domain name and on the month-to-month plan to get your first month of hosting for only 1 cent. So if you have any other questions, just leave a comment down below and I'll try and get back to you. So thank you for watching this video, and I look forward to seeing you next time.